In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio channel in DaVinci Resolve, if you need to adjust the type of audio channel on your timeline. This is actually a very quick process once you know where to look. This can be useful if you're working with different kinds of audio like mono, stereo, or other channel configurations, and you want your track to match the way your sound is meant to play back in your project. To get started, go to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is the main area where your video and audio clips are arranged for editing. Once you're there, look toward the audio track section of the timeline. This is the part where all of your soundtracks appear, usually underneath the video tracks. From here, find the specific audio track you want to modify. Make sure you're clicking on the track area itself, not just on an individual clip, because this setting applies to the track. When you've found the correct audio track, right-click on it to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the option called Change Track Type 2. When you move over that option, you'll see the different channel types available. Depending on your version of DaVinci Resolve and the kind of project you're working on, you may see options such as mono, stereo, or other audio channel formats. At this point, simply click the channel type you want to use and DaVinci Resolve will apply that change to the track. That's all there is to it. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that changing the track type can affect how your audio is routed and heard in the timeline, so it's a good idea to play back your project afterward and make sure everything sounds the way you expect. If the audio doesn't sound right, double-check that you selected the correct track and the correct channel format for your source audio. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference when you're organizing your sound properly and making sure your edit is set up the way you need it. And that's how to change audio channel in DaVinci Resolve.